In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the language on your Facebook account. As you can see here, the language of my Facebook account has changed to the language that I don't know. Whatever the reason why you want to change the language of your Facebook account, just follow the steps in this video because it's actually very easy to do it. To change the language of your Facebook account, you need to go to Menu by clicking on this button here. Here, you need to scroll down. Now, if you can't understand what are the texts here, what you're going to do is you need to look for this gear or settings icon here. You need to click on it. After that, another options will show up. Look for a circle icon that is like a globe. Here it is. This is the language. Click on it. We can now change the language of our Facebook account. Just scroll down to find the language you want. I want to change my language to English. Here it is. Just click on it. As you can see, the language of my Facebook account has changed to English.